Hello children, welcome to e-learning class. This is Kusum Mishra and today's topic is preposition. Preposition and their correct use. A preposition is a word that links a noun or pronoun or a phrase to other words in a sentence. The word preposition means placing before. It is placed before noun or pronoun and shows its relationship with some other words in a sentence. For example, the books are on the table. The dog is sitting under the table. Types of preposition: time, after, during, since, on, at, showing position, around, at, behind, in, below, above, showing movement, over, through, towards, into, causes or purpose, because of, for, way of doing something, by, with. Let's see the preposition with certain noun phrase, adjective or verb. For example, noun with preposition. The reason for their sudden departure is not known. Preposition with adjective. My mother is kind to her workers. Verb with preposition. I stopped at the bookstall to buy a book. Verb with preposition with noun. Sumit agreed to my proposal. And verb with preposition with pronoun. Sumit agreed with me and supported me. With the phrase, I believe in the importance of prayer. A specific time is shown by at, on, in. The show will start at 8 o'clock. The holidays will begin at Christmas. Rita reached the airport at 9 p.m. On, it refers to specific days, like on December 25th. On Monday. He was born on Tuesday. In, it refers to period of time. In 2008, in summer, in an hour, I went to the market in the morning. We say at Christmas, but on Christmas Day. The first refers to the holiday period and second phrase refers to the day itself. Duration of time is shown by before, after, by, since, till or until, up to. Like, for example, before 2 p.m. After Christmas, by Tuesday, since 1995, till or until January, up to Monday morning. Duration of time over a specific length of time, between, for, during, from, to. For example, we were in Kolkata for Durga Puja or during Durga Puja. We were in London for 20 days between December 20th to 10 January. We were in London from December 20 to January. Children, here are some more lists showing the preposition of time with prepositions meaning, means where to use. On with days of the week, dates. In, month, season, year, part of the day, after a period. At, with a specific point of time. Since, from a specific point in time until now. For, over a certain period of time. Ago, from now to a specific point in the past. During, throughout the course. Before, previous to in time or earlier than. After, subsequent in time, at a later time than. Until, up to a certain point in time. To past, telling the time. I hope you will feel easy to frame the sentences with the help of these prepositions. Here are the list for the preposition of place. Like in shows position or state inside. At, in the area of a specific position and event. On, position above, in contact with, for a certain side. Of, from a place or position. By or beside, at the side of, close to and next to. Under, in a lower position beneath the surface. Over, in or at a position above, more than. Below, in or to a lower place, beneath. Above, overhead. Up, from a lower towards a higher point. I hope this list will be useful for you. If any query is there, it can be solved in your doubt clearing classes. Thank you.